welcome back and welcome to another Boxycharm video. For today's video, we are unboxing the April Boxycharm box for 2021. So I'm super excited to rip this open. Before I do, please make sure to give this a big, huge thumbs up for me, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you love makeup or just anything that has to do with makeup, then you definitely want to make sure that you subscribe. But if you want to see my April Boxycharm unboxing, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. So you guys know the drill already. I don't know what the heck is in here. I didn't peek. I have no clue what could possibly be in here because I always like to keep this a surprise. I feel like it's more fun that way. I just expect like a cute little surprise every month. So we're gonna be unboxing everything, reading up on the details on it. I'll be giving you guys some first impressions on the products that are in here. So I already took this little tape off because I didn't want to be breaking anything trying to open it on camera, but I haven't opened the box. So I'm opening it now. And then as usual, just like every month, we've got this Hello Charmer and the Instagram handle and the hashtag for Boxycharm. And then when you open it up, it's just this Boxycharm logo in a really cute pink color. And then this is already really cute. So when I open it, this is the first thing that comes up, of course, every single time. It is the card that I'm gonna be reading the details of the products off of. And I really like that the card is Easter themed. I feel like that's really, really cute. So the first product that I get in my box is from FARMACY, and it is the Honey GRAIL Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. I love the packaging of anything from FARMACY. I feel like it's so simple yet has something really special to it. Like when you see this, you know it's FARMACY, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to open this up. Really, really nice. I forgot to read the details though. So it says, a fast-absorbing, non-comedogenic face oil that delivers intense hydration and helps to smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And it goes for $48, so definitely a little more up there in price. I love when that happens in my Boxycharm boxes because I'm paying 25 bucks a month and then I get like one product in here that's like 2 or 3 times the price that I paid for the entire box, so amazing. I love the color of this already. And then on the bottle, it just says Honey GRAIL Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. It comes in 1 fluid ounce, so like the standard size for any kind of skincare products, I feel like. So, okay, I am loving that this is a thing lately. So actually a couple bottles, like serum bottles that I've tried recently have had this like ring in here. So it doesn't just like slap up and down when you put this little dropper in here. The ring kind of keeps it in its place so it doesn't just go all the way down. I like that a lot about it actually. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit out of here and put it on the back of my hand just to see how it feels. Ooh, it's literally like honey. Like it's an oil, but like when it dropped, it had kind of the consistency of a honey. So that's really interesting. Here's what it looks like on my hand. So of course it's an oil, so it's gonna be a little runny. But then when I apply on the back of my hand and spread it out, it feels a little bit like an oil, but not like too oily, if that makes sense. But I will say right off the bat, it is hydrating. Like look at the back of my hand and then look at this one. Like I did not put any lotion on today. This is dry and this just brought my hand back to life. It feels really good. And this smell is kind of gross, I'm not gonna lie to you. It smells like honey and roses. If you could picture what those two smell like together, it's just like a really like a mature smelling perfume, if that makes sense. Like I'm not the biggest fan of the smell at all. I don't know how long that smell is gonna last and if it's gonna bother me throughout the night, so we'll see. This is definitely something I'm gonna have to get used to, but I do really love how it looks and feels on the back of my hand. The next product in our box is from Studio Makeup. I feel like I get Studio Makeup in here a lot. And it's a tinted moisturizer. Okay, I'm excited already because I feel like, I said this in another video, but I feel like tinted moisturizers have been the thing this spring and going into the summer. Just everybody and their mother is coming out with a tinted moisturizer, and I am so here for it. I love tinted moisturizers so much, so I'm very excited. Anyways, it says a tinted moisturizer with a light to medium coverage, yes. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, yes. To combine hydrating skincare benefits and lightweight coverage and a glowy look. And then this goes for $35. So let's find this in here. This is actually big. A really long tinted moisturizer. Hold on a sec. Okay, so it's very, very standard packaging, I would say. Like, there's nothing that really wows me about the packaging at all. But of course, packaging is not the most important thing. I'm a sucker for some good, heavy, expensive looking packaging, if you know what I mean. And this is $35. I've had drugstore tinted moisturizer packagings that have been a little more creative than this, and this is $35. So the packaging is just really boring to me. So it says that this is 1.5 fluid ounces, which is kind of more than the standard size. The standard size is typically like 1 fluid ounce, so you got like half an ounce more than that. So I'm just gonna squeeze some on the back of my hand here too, so we can see what the consistency is, what the coverage is like, all that good stuff. I'm also really hoping that this matches my skin tone. So I haven't gotten like a face product in any of my Boxycharm boxes yet, so I'm really interested to see what that's gonna be. It's not even coming out. I think I got a defective bottle, you guys. Nothing is coming out of here. So I give it an F for packaging because the packaging is boring and the pump is not working. So not a fan at all of that. So when I unscrew the cap, it actually looks like the color of this is going to match me, but I think they like forgot a piece. I feel like there was supposed to be like a longer plastic piece attached to this so that the product could actually come out, but it's not. So I'm just gonna dot some on the back of my hand and then close this up so I'm not making a crazy mess here. And right here you can see what it looks like on my hand. So it's not runny at all, but let me see what it looks like when you spread it. I really like how it feels actually. It has a little bit of a smell, like almost like a little coconutty smell. It's really subtle though, but it's actually really beautiful. Like I feel like the coverage is definitely on the lighter side. Of course I have to test it out on my face too and see how it actually does and how it reacts with all my imperfections, aka my pores. But on the back of my hand, just like this, I actually am pretty impressed. Other than that, I don't really have much of an impression besides the packaging. I'm not a huge fan, but I am excited to be testing it out more to see kind of what it does for my actual face because I love tinted moisturizer, so I'm very excited about that. The next one is from Eloise Beauty. It's the Get Gleaming Body Glow. So I've actually gotten products from Eloise Beauty from here too. So let's see. I've actually been dying to try the Fenty body sauce. So I'm hoping that this is like something similar. Oh my God. You know what this looks like a lot? It looks like the Fenty Body Lava. That's kind of what the packaging of this reminds me of. So I want to put some like maybe right here on my arm. I also forgot to read the thing again. It says, this is a non-sticky and lightweight luminizer that can be applied to all areas on the face and body for a dazzling buildable glow. This transfer-proof formula is filled with ultra sparkly reflex to radiate your skin, and it goes for $38. So also pretty up there in price. I got some pricey things in my box today. So I put it over here where the oil is not already distributed, and I'm just blending out because I want to see what it does for my body. Wow. This is actually really gorgeous. I don't know how well you could see it in the camera. Oh, I feel like it actually is showing. It's giving me this really, really beautiful, like glowy look. It's not the craziest, like, noticeable, like there's not like big chunks of glitter in it or anything, but it's also not too subtle. So I feel like this is gonna be just like the perfect in between of those two. And I will say, it dried down pretty quick. Like I've only had it on for like 30 seconds and I feel like it pretty much dried already, and it's making my arm look really just glowy and healthy, and like I moisturized my skin. The next product in our box is from Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics, which I've never heard of, and it is the Monarch Lash Pack. Can never have too many lashes. It says, whether you're just transitioning into makeup or simply seeking an everyday comfortable glam lash, Baby Girl and Charmer are the perfect duo. Baby Girl is an angled lash perfect for achieving the iconic cat eye effect, I love. Charmer is a round lash we created for an instant doll eye effect, also love. Both are 100% silk and cruelty-free, amazing. Apply your favorite pair with the lash applicator included in your kit, and these go for $38. Wow, everything is on the pricier side today. So, okay. Here is the packaging on these. I don't think I'm gonna put them on today. I'll just show you guys what they look like. But they're super fluffy. They kind of remind me of like the velour lashes, the ones that aren't mink lashes, if you know what I mean. Let me just I'm not gonna actually apply it to my eye, but I kind of want to just see how it looks just doing this. I know this isn't the smartest, but... Ooh, I actually really like that. Obviously it's not perfect. Once I actually apply them, they'll look better, but it's actually giving me like a really pretty natural cat eye kind of thing. So I could get used to that. I'm a fan. And they feel really soft and silky, so who does not like that? I do feel like these other ones are gonna be a little too much for me though, to be honest. Like they're very just the same on both sides. Like there's not one side that's shorter than the other, and I personally prefer the front of the lash to be a little bit shorter. So this I might have to trim. Yeah, I'm not a fan of these. Like, they just look like there's a spider on my eye. And I know I didn't put them on completely, but like, just the way that the hairs are set up on the lash, I feel like they just look really, like really fake. I like my eyelashes to look really like you would kind of think that they're real. Of course you could tell when someone's wearing lashes, but I like them to look like real hair, you know, even though they're not. But those top ones I'm going to love and I'm going to use for sure. And then the last product that we have is from KNDR Beauty. It's the Kinder Glow Highlighting Palette. It says this palette includes 3 universally flattering highlighters and 1 marble highlighter. The talc-free buttery formula practically melts into skin, granting a beautiful luminous look with opalescent pearls and a velvet texture. The compact size makes it easy to travel with and allows for an on-the-go glow, and it goes for $15. So this one is definitely the more affordable of everything that I've gotten in this box. Sorry, I'm getting kind of carried away. I'm too excited to open everything. So here's what the packaging on the outside looks like. This is really, really cute, and I feel like it's really springy kind of packaging. So I love that. And then it comes in another little bubble wrap, so I love the protection it has so this doesn't break. This is really cute. It's like a baby pink and gold, and it just says the same thing on the top here, Kinder Glow. And then I'm just gonna open this. Oh, this is really interesting. Okay, look at this, you guys. Especially this one caught my eye right away. That's a really interesting kind of color. I'm gonna swatch these really quick so we can see how glowy they really are. I'm gonna try to do it like down here on my arm because I'm running out of space with all these glowy products. Ooh, this is actually really buttery. This feels really, really good. I just did this in that weird shade, and I'm gonna put it right here. So here are those 4. kind of like from lightest to darkest. I do have to say right off the bat that I love the consistency. Like, they were not kidding. These are very, very buttery and smooth feeling. Like, they really glided onto my finger and then onto my arm from my finger. So they felt really, really, really nice. And I feel like they have pigment. I want to put one on my cheeks though and see what it looks like. I think I want to grab this top one because that is the one that caught my eye. And I'm just taking a highlighting brush, dipping it into there. I do already have a little highlighter on, but let's see. Not bad, actually. It's definitely a more, like a beaming highlight, I would say. Like, especially on my nose, it's really, really bright. Is it my favorite? No. I feel like I like more warm highlights, so I feel like one of the deeper shades would be a little bit better for me. This is a little bit too, like, I don't want to say like white, but it kind of gives off like a white-ish cast. As weird as that sounds, so I don't know if I'm a fan of that shade, but I do really, really love how they feel. I have to play around with this a little more and see how I really feel about it. So far though, for a first impression, not bad. So I think those are all 5 of the products that were in my box for this month. I feel like Boxycharm did a really good job this month because all of these were products that I've never heard of or thought about buying. So it just like is really nice to get some surprises, like I said. But this one was really fun. I had a lot of fun unboxing this, and I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching. I definitely have to keep you guys posted on what I think about these in the near future. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video. That was my unboxing. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think of all the products that I've tried for this month's box, and let me know which one was your favorite. Let me know which one looked and sounded the most exciting to you guys, because I'm curious to see what you think. I think I'm the most excited about this. I just love a good body glow. So super exciting. But yeah, comment, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up if you haven't already, and please subscribe to my channel. It means the absolute world to me, so thank you so much if you do. But stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.